nice and tight. They're still kind of interesting the way they're set up like that. As a car corner pace car ducks out. Here they come, they come, they come! Green flag, and we're racing! And it's going to be shot out front. Mean G is dropping to the back G. Whoa! 3 wide, and Nischwager and Mean G. Look out, Mean G.
Bouncing off the wall. Bleacher Creature's got a good look at that. Bill shot out front. Lundy second, Legui third.
Legui all the way from the Chicagoland metropolitan area. You've got a La Crosse, a Rockford, and a Chicagoland driver for your top 3. Legui looking to the inside of Lundy for that second spot. And Chris Meangy having a lot of problems in that 10 car. He drops to the inside.
Little shot taking the lead. Little skip around turns 1 and 2. Dominic Lundy in second. Pat Legui third. Justin Wagner fourth. And Dwayne Lounsbury, your point leader, rounding off your top 5.
We are single file racing here in the Mountain Dew Kickstart Roadrunner division here. As their feature's going to be 20 laps. It's Bill Schott coming by to take lap 4. Followed by Lundy, Legui, Wagner, Lonsberry, Page, Nischwanger. And there's a 7 car that came out at the last second. I don't know if that's 7 or 52. It's 7 on one side, 52 on the other.
It's the 52 of Brent Garnhart.
That's what I thought it was, but I don't know why they have it scratched off with the 7.
Might have been on another track another time.
Look, he's got it scratched off. 7.
Maybe he X'd it for the 52. It marks the spot, right?
As the 88 of Keegan Rodden is pulling out the rear of the field there. Keegan Rodden with a lot of changes to his car this week. Not sure if he likes them just yet, as he was our last Saturday night's feature winner.
Top 3 runners running single file, battle in the 4th spot with Wagner and Lounsbury, and that's 73 and 22.
So it's Schott, Lundy, Legui, Wagner. Here comes Lounsbury looking to the inside of Wagner, followed by Page. As they're going by, we've got 8 in, 12 to go for Bill Schott.
Doing good out there in that 2 machine out of La Crosse, Wisconsin. Pacing really well. Dominic Lundy taking it a little high in turns 3 and 4. Giving the 48 at Pat Legui a little bit of a chance to come back. Wagner and Lounsbury in that battle continuing for that 4th and 5th spot. Dustin Wagner 32 points behind Dwayne Lounsbury as far as the point system, so he would like to finish ahead of Lounsbury if he could. Schott still in the lead. 10 in the books. Dominic Lundy and Pat Legui slowly working on that battle for the 2nd and 3rd spot. His Page still just off the top 5 in the 6th spot. Schott continuing to run and pull away as now Lundy and Legui are getting a little tight back and forth. They're going to go for 2nd and 3rd, and Wagner and Lounsbury will battle for 4th and 5th. Everything stands right behind the number 2 of Bill Schott. Legui trying to work Lundy on that low side. Along the back stretch they go into turns 3 and 4. Lundy still hanging on in that 48. Wagner behind him and Lounsbury your top 5. But Bill Schott kind of running away as Dominic Lundy having problems along the backstretch, bouncing off the wall. And the 48 of Pat Legui will take that 2nd spot. Bill Schott in the 2 continuing to run away. Legui now your 2nd spot. Lundy in 3rd. Wagner and Lounsbury your top 5 as they are now starting to catch that 11. But nobody's catching the 2 right now. Bill Schott, he's gone. He's got a wake of cars.
Yeah, he's definitely probably throwing cruise control at this point here. Our La Crosse driver here taking it around with 4 to go this time by.
Legui and Lundy Wagner and Lounsbury.
Lundy.
As Nightschwanger is the lap traffic that got passed in the 19.
Lundy got a little loose coming out of turn 2, gave Justin Wagner a chance to catch him. Lonsberry and Wagner looking to catch Dominic Lundy here for 3rd place.
And they'll go door to door in turns 1 and 2, the 22 and the 73. Your top 2 points leaders, and it's Dwayne Lounsbury who's going to make it on the back stretch.
Lounsbury almost squeezed in there. Wagner closed the door, and they just made contact.
And now it'll be the 22 ahead of the 73 as they check down the 11. And that 2nd spot is Dominic Lundy, who's been having all kinds of problems in that 2 spot.
Shot takes a white flag this time by, followed by Legui. It's Lundy. Here comes Lonsberry. Wagner looking to the inside of Lonsberry. Lundy hanging on. We'll find out what's going. Here comes Wagner to the inside of Lonsberry. Look at this battle for 3rd and 4th. So it's going to be Shot to take the win, followed by Legui, Lundy, Lonsberry, Wagner. And that's your top 5.
Chris Page in the 6th spot. Josh Taven, Keegan Rodden, Kurt Nightschwanger, and Chris Mingy rounding off your top 10.
Wow.
Mountain Dew Kickstart Roadrunners.
Yeah, Bill Schott in that number 2 car. Brought his other car. He's actually got 3 cars out here tonight. 2 Roadrunners. I think that was supposed to be his son's car, but he's racing here.
MJ Services and Contracting, All Around Complete Services, LLC. Prime sponsors for this 1974 Chevy Monte Carlo. He's out of La Crosse, Wisconsin. He has 1 heat win, and this is his first feature win of the year here at the Rockford Speedway. As he works his way out of the car, race fans, let's give it up for the 2X of Bill Schott.